Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Check your recovery phone and secondary email are available because Google will send codes there. Once done, sit at a device you've used before and open the account recovery page. This improves success rates. Enter the exact account name, then provide the last password you remember. Even approximate entries help. Make sure to answer device prompts when asked and keep the recovery phone nearby. Pause only to retrieve verification codes or authenticator approvals. Once you're on the recovery flow, follow prompts methodically. Choose text or authenticator codes first because they're fastest. If asked, give the month and year you created the account and name a few frequent contacts or email labels. This shows ownership. Make sure to try all available methods, SMS, authenticator, backup codes, before moving on. If a prompt fails, select Try Another Way and proceed with the next option. Stay patient and honest with every answer. After passing verification, set a new, strong password and immediately update your recovery phone and email because that prevents repeat lockouts. Once back in, review recent account activity and remove unknown sessions or linked apps. This closes attack vectors. If the recovery process fails, submit Google's detailed account recovery form and provide precise dates and device info. That's the one key troubleshooting move. If you must, repeat the form with any corrected details to improve chances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.